Very high frequency have dash wavelengths. Option A shorter, option B shortest, option C longer, option D longest. Right options is option A shorter wavelengths. Name of range which separates China from Pakistan. Option A Hindu Kush, option B Karakoram, option C Himalayas, option D Pamir. Right options is option B Karakoram. Average of all prime number between 30 to 50 is option A 37, option B 37.8, option C 39, option D 39.8. 39.8. How many districts are there in KPK? Option A 24, option B 26, option C 28, option D 30. Option B 26. The fourth proportional to 5, 8, 15 is option A 18, option B 24, option C 19, option D 20. Right options is option B 24. If the salaries of ABC are in the ratio of 2:3:5, if increased 15%, 10% and 20%, what will be the new ratio of their salaries? Option A, option B, option C, option D. Right option is option C 23, 33 and 60. A sum of money is to be distributing among A, B, C, D in the proportion of 5:2:4:3. If C gets rupees 1000 more than D, what is B share? Option A, option B, option C, option D. So right option is option C, rupees 2000. Two numbers are respectively 20% and 50% more than third number. The ratio of the two number is 2:5, 3:5, 4:5, 6:7. Right option is option C, 4:5. How many times name Muhammad mentioned in Holy Quran? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 6. Right option is option C 4. Muhammad is the messenger of Allah is stated in which surah? Option A Surah Yasin, option B Surah Muhammad, option C Surah Muzammil, option D Surah Fatha. So right options is option D Surah Fatha. Eid prayer is option A wajib, option B farz, option C sunnat, option D mustahab. Right options is option A Eid prayer is wajib. Which country is called the land of prophets? Option is Saudi Arab, option B Palestine, option C Iraq, option D Sham. Right option is option B Palestine. In which Hijrah Hazrat Ali Anhu was martyred? Option A 36, option B 38, option C 40, option D 42. Right option is option C 40. What was the relation between Prophet Ismail alayhi salam and Prophet Ishaq alayhi salam? Option A brother, option B cousins, option C father and son, option D none of these. Right option is option A brothers. The first masjid on the surface of earth is option A Masjid al-Haram, option B Masjid Nabi, option C Masjid Aqsa, option D Masjid Quba. Option is option D Masjid Quba. Khatibul Anbiya was the title of option A Dawood al-Islam, option B Nuh al-Islam, option C Yaqub al-Islam, option D Shoaib al-Islam. Right option is option D Shoaib al-Islam. What companion was awarded with the title of the Lion of Allah? Option A Umar Farooq raziyallahu ta'ala anhu, option B Ali Murtaza raziyallahu ta'ala anhu, option C Hamza bin Abdul Muttalib raziyallahu ta'ala anhu, option D Khalid bin Walid raziyallahu ta'ala anhu. Right option is option B Ali Murtaza raziyallahu ta'ala anhu. Digestion of food is completed in the option A small intestine, option B large intestine, option C stomach, option D liver. Right option is option A small intestine. Biosensor is used to measure option A the body pH value, option B amount of hemoglobin, option C blood glucose level, option D salinity in urine. Right option is option C blood glucose level. Blood is cleaned by option A kidneys, option B lungs, option C large intestine, option D liver. Right option is option A kidneys. Urine is produced in option A kidneys, option B lungs, option C large intestine, option D liver. Right option is option A kidneys. GPS is an abbreviation of Global Pole Systems, option B Global Proper System, option C Global Position System, option D Global Position Store. Right option is option C Global Position System. In general, comets have dash orbits. Option A elliptical, option B highly elliptical, option C circular, option D parabolic. Right option is option B highly elliptical. The planet that moves around the sun at the highest speed is option A Mercury, option B Mars, option C Jupiter, option D Venus. Right answer is option A Mercury. The nearest planet to the Earth is option A Mercury, option B Mars, option C Jupiter, option D Venus. Right option is option D Venus. And a very low temperature which from the following will freeze at last? Option A river water, option B canal water, option C sea water, option D lake water. Right option is option C sea water. During winter in cool countries, the dash is mixed to melt the ice on the icy roads. Option A salt, option B chlorine, option C CO2, option D water. Right option is option A salt. X-rays were discovered by option A Ranton, option B Thomson, option C Rutherford, option B Becquerel. Right option is option A Ranton. CNG stand for option A converted natural gas, option B conduced natural gas, Option C, conducted natural gas. Option D, compressed natural gas. Right option is option D, compressed natural gas. The average adult has a blood volume of about dash liters. Option A 4, option B 5, option C 6, option D 8. Right answer is option B 5 liters. The gas used in a refrigerator to cool water is option A nitrogen, option B CO2, option C methane, option D ammonia. Right option is option D ammonia. The sun is option A star, option B planet, option C asteroid, option D meteor. Right option is option A star. The density of water is option A 1 gram per cm cube, option B 1.5 gram per cm cube, option C 2 gram per cm cube, option D none of these. Right answer is option A 1 gram per centimeter cube. The lifespan of red blood cell is dash dash. Option A 60, option B 120, option C 160, option D 360. Right option is option B 120. For a mixed mass of gases at constant temperature, if it decreases volume, the pressure will option A decreases, option B increases, option C remain constant, option D none of these. Right option is option B increases. Long-sightedness defect could be corrected by using dash lens. Option A concave, option B convex, option C diverging, option D none of these. Right option is option B convex lens. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of partition of Bengal? Option A Lord Curzon, option B Lord Wavell, option C Lord Minto, option D Lord Elgin. Right option is option A Lord Curzon. In which of the following cities All India Muslim League was founded? Option A Dhaka, option B Delhi, option C Lahore, option D Allahabad. Right option is option A Dhaka.